25 invested here with the weekly winners and losers. This is our new Sunday series. I'm building a bit of not a daily video, but at least Friday, Saturday, Sundays I will be posting. And this week on our losers and winners, we have our big fat loser of newtek.UN. newtek.UN is absolutely sucking. They are going down in such a big way. We can look at their, just their market cap and asset allocation. I'll leave this up. Their dividends about 6.3%, which is, one of the reasons why I bought the stock, and I am down huge. I'm down almost 50% on it. So I added a line right now, just on a trend line basis, where we are going down in a very big way. And it doesn't seem to be breaking out. I mean, it did break out of the trend very briefly, but yeah, banks are not having a good time. And if we go to news, we could see that a lot of people are cutting their share price target from $19 to $12. That's a huge. People are keeping it on a hold. The analyst ratings they're getting messy, and they're getting messy. People can't make up their mind, and then we just end up with a hold rating for newtek Bank. And it used to be a buy rating, so as we could see that analysts, the 5 analysts that are monitoring the stock, they change their mind rather quickly, which means that it isn't very helpful at all now, is it? Yeah, so they're also diluting shareholders. They've been doing it for a long time. I did take a look into this a little while back. They have increasing debt. They're a loan company with rising interest rates. If people start defaulting on their debt, the debt that newtek.UN holds with smaller companies, then we see a lot bigger issues happening. So newtek, the same as last week, coming down. And on our winners this week, we are looking at Google. Good old Google. Google is, I'm actually still reasonably down on my Google position, about 20%. Yeah, about 16% down. No, I think it is 20%. Anyways, not as important. It is flatlining a little bit here, but I believe this is a news-driven rally. Television dips, yeah. So this is the news on newtek lately, and Google's trying to get into the AI space. I could have actually put on a second. Winner for today, but I didn't, and it was Microsoft. Google and Microsoft both are up almost 15% this week. Huge, up big time. And I do believe it's just news. It's news driven. We can go to our feed. We can see what people are saying about it. Inverse head and shoulders. We should be able to see that most people are saying that it is a strong buy. That's 12 analysts, but as we said before, analysts, they don't always have the what is a buy to them. What are they planning with it? Maybe their idea of a buy is different than mine, and we got to keep that into consideration. Google also sitting at a 20 PE. I did buy it at about $85. Last time I bought Google, it was at $85. It was at $85. So Google been ripping up, but I'm again not as concerned with it. It did go up 10 a little more than, how was it, 88 to 102. So yeah, big moves from the old Goog. I can't wait. I would love to see this in the positives. I think I've seen it in the positives here. No, actually, I've never seen this in the positives. I don't think I've ever seen my Google position in the positives. So I cannot wait for that to happen. Again, guys, we're just looking at taking a little deeper dive. I do plan on buying more Google. I do plan on buying BRK. I do plan on adding to these positions. I usually do keep a pretty healthy amount of cash on the side, so we will wait. Anyways, that's it for the weekly winners and losers. Hopefully we have a bit more news next week. Bye now.